Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public safety app. First, download the application from your device's official app store, whether it's for Apple or Android. Next, create your secure account using a valid email and a strong, unique password. It's crucial to enable location services so emergency responders can pinpoint your exact whereabouts quickly. Take a few moments to explore the main dashboard and its various sections to understand its layout. This app offers several core features designed for your safety. You can easily access a list of emergency contacts and quick dial options, saving precious seconds. The prominent panic button is for immediate assistance in critical situations, alerting authorities instantly. Stay informed with real-time safety alerts and notifications about local incidents or hazards. Plus, you have the option to temporarily share your live location with up to 5 trusted friends or family members. Reporting an incident effectively is straightforward with this app. Begin by selecting the most appropriate category for the situation, such as suspicious activity or a medical emergency. Provide a clear and concise description, including key details like time and location. If it is safe, you can attach up to 3 photos or a short video, which can be incredibly helpful for authorities. Finally, submit your report and you will receive a confirmation, often within 1 minute. To maximize your safety, always keep your emergency contact information current within the app. Regularly review the safety tips and local guidelines provided to stay informed about your community. It is a good practice to periodically test the app's non-emergency features, like sharing your location, to ensure everything works smoothly. Remember, while this app is a powerful tool, it is not a replacement for personal vigilance and awareness of your surroundings. Stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.